Hello, this is Alan at Vasti Equipment and Truck Sales. Today we're taking a look at this super nice 2008 Sterling tandem axle truck. Only 76,000 original miles. Super nice, like brand new. Serviced, inspected, ready to go to work. Needs absolutely nothing. Steel body, pedal hitch. We have financing available here at Vasti Equipment and Truck Sales. If you need financing, just give us a call, 336-789-1138, or go to our website, click on the financing tab, and you can fill out an application right online, and it'll go straight to the bank, and someone will be in touch with you within 30 minutes. All new tires. So there's a pedal hitch. Automatic transmission in this truck, Allison automatic. Very hard to find these days, and very sought after. You need a custom paint job. We do custom painting. We custom painted this truck and trailer for a customer. His wife wanted, I believe, Tiffany blue. That's what it looks like to me. So we do custom painting here. We are several weeks behind on that right now, though. We just had a huge request for those. So very, very far behind. But if you would like a price on a custom paint job for your own particular company colors or for it, I'd be glad to give you a quote on that. Anything you need here at Vasti Equipment and Truck Sales, your truck, equipment, trailer needs, let us know. We have over 50 trucks coming in. We've been selling them so fast we can hardly get them through the shop and on the lot before they're gone. And we have several pre-sold. We do have many in stock that are coming in that's not on our website yet because they haven't been through the shop. But if you'd like to get a list of things we have, let us know. This is just a super, super nice little clean truck right here with low miles. It's hard to find nice little tandem axle, automatic trucks like that clean, that low miles these days. It's very, very hard to come by. Super, super nice, clean, good running little truck. So give us a call, Vasti Equipment and Truck Sales, 336-789-1138. If you'd like to visit us, we are located at 115 Wisconsin Lane in Mount A, North Carolina. Go over to our sign now so that you can, in case you didn't get a number, and on truck sales, 336-789-1138. Our web address is vastets.com. We look forward to helping you here, and thanks and God bless.